What's up you guys, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. While I was driving, I picked up a burnt smell and I parked the car right away. I noticed the serpentine belt was frying and the AC compressor seemed seized. Today, we're switching out the AC compressor clutch and bearing on this new edge Mustang V6. Let's start by removing the coolant reservoir. It's held down by a 10mm bolt. This one just happens to be held down by a zip tie. Then use a 10mm socket to loosen the center bolt on the AC clutch. Using a 17mm socket, release the belt tension on the tensioner and take off the serpentine belt. Remember, the tensioner is beneath the AC compressor. If your ratchet is not long enough, you can attach the floor jack handle for more leverage. Check out the old belt for any wear and tears. It might be time for a new one. Carefully detach the clutch from the pulley, keeping an eye out for any loose components. There shouldn't be any debris behind the clutch. To remove the pulley, take out the center snap ring. Snap ring pliers can make this job easier. If the pulley won't come out, a pry bar or a screwdriver can help. And check it out, it's clear that the center bearing is damaged. Clean the coil surface with a wire brush and apply some lubricant to the bearing before inserting it. Fit a snap ring into the center gap before installing the new clutch. Add a washer of the same size from the old clutch. Apply medium strength thread locker to the center bolt and reassemble everything. It's a common problem for the new edge Mustang V6 for the AC compressor clutch bearing to seize. Rather than replacing the whole unit, you can just change the clutch and bearing, saves you time and money. Also skipping the AC system recharge. Hopefully this video helps you get your Mustang back on the road. Thanks for watching.